never changed oil on this one, have we? Since we got it.
No, I don't think so. Well, we didn't drive it for a long time because I had trouble with
Right.
the starter not wanting to work. And we changed the starter relay and then
This little beggar.
put in a bypass switch so it'll always kick the starter on. Sometimes we have to put it in neutral and it'll start. Most of the time it starts just normal. Once in a while we have to go into neutral, and then I think once I had to use the button, and once I use it just because I just hit the button instead of trying to put it in neutral. Back when we first got it, put in that way.
I hope this is not cross-threaded, but normally these come out real easy, and it's not coming out easy. I don't know what the heck they might have done to it.
Yeah.
I don't like the feel of it. There, finally. They might have put something in it too, I don't know. Okay. That didn't get too bad. Pretty dirty though.
Yeah.
Dirtier than mine was. Okay, I need a rag, but that's okay. We have to wait for that to drain to get the oil filter. It's straight up here, and the pan's not that big.
Oh, yeah.
Well, maybe it is, but not while it's flowing out that quick. Once it starts drizzling.
Because you can hit where it hits the back of the pan, and you may or may not have enough room.
Right. See, that's over here. That's not going to work yet.
Yeah. Because you'll have some come out on the filter.
We might be able to get it. Okay. I got the wrench up on the... I use this type of wrench because it's a grippy.
Yeah.
I have the plier type too. Depends on what I'm doing, what vehicle.
Well, let's see if we can get in here and see what we're doing, where we can see where it's at.
Oh, that ain't going to help. That's some plastic.
Yeah, I'm just moving that away, yeah.
Okay. Come loose. Don't get, yeah, your camera's underneath there. You might want to tilt it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming down my hand. Ooh, yucky. The only thing I hate about these things.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what the problem was.
What would they?
This is.
Oh, they put a little
cylinder or something on it. I don't know
yeah, a Loctite or something to seal it.
Nasty.
That's why it's hard coming off to start with.
Here's some more of it.
I've never seen anybody do that.
No, that's crazy. We bought it from a dealer and they used it as a loaner, but
yeah, well,
that's crazy. Oh man, I got oil all over me.
They used it as a loaner, and then it had problems where it didn't consistently want to start. So I think they stopped using it as a loaner because of that. But their excuse was that their insurance won't let them do a loaner car anymore. That was their excuse. I don't really believe it, but
we left the oil filter upstairs.